Vision. CPC is a dynamic institution of higher learning which is accessible, globally competitive, culturally and morally sensitive towards sustainable ecotourism and natural resource development. Mission. Pursuant to Section 3 of Republic Act 7923, the college should provide the professional, technical, and special instruction for special purposes, and to promote research and extension services, advanced studies, and progressive leadership in agriculture, forestry, engineering, arts and sciences, and other relevant studies. Objective number 1. To offer excellent and relevant baccalaureate degree programs in agriculture. Number 2. To produce quality instructional materials relevant to degree program. Number 3. To inculcate moral values for total human development. Number 4. To produce quality researches relevant to local, regional, and national development goals. Number 5. To package generated agricultural technologies for farmers, fisherfolks, and other stakeholders. Number 6. To promote relevant agricultural technologies for improved quality of life. Quality Policy. Camiguin Polytechnic State College, an institution of higher learning in the island of Camiguin, commits to provide quality higher professional, technical instruction, research, extension, and production services, advanced studies, and progressive leadership in agriculture, teacher education, engineering and computer studies, industrial technology, arts and sciences, tourism, business, and public administration.